We'll use the BIMX, we'll just give those to contractors. And they will use the 3D model more than the 2D documentation. That's so critical. Architecture is a 3D medium. Ultimately, it's going to be in 3D. You should be able to evaluate it throughout the process. The greatest strength to me of ArchiCAD is that it's a solid modeler and it has these incredible booleans, but a lot of times when we're designing, we want a model that has almost metaphorically no weight. So we tend to oscillate between ArchiCAD as the producing technical documentation and being the repository for like, this is the master file, this is what everyone's operating from, and this is where we're spawning options. It's a much more efficient way of looking at things than everyone having to like update a physical model, but it's also, you see things that you wouldn't see in the 2D documentation. So like, we'll use the BIMX, we'll just give those to contractors, right? Say, spend the money for BIMX Pro, everyone has an iPad and they will use those on site. And I have seen them, and they will use the 3D model as much or more than the 2D documentation. To do architecture that's progressive in some way, a lot of it is making people feel comfortable with how it's going to work. But we do spend a lot of time just at meetings where we can just take it on the iPad, plug it in, everyone has a TV, you just HDMI cord it to a TV, and it's just a super easy, clear way of running a meeting so you can focus on the content. You got like 2 or 3 options, what do you think about this, da 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 da. It's just super clear to people. It's a communicative medium and you want to be able to share with people, so you want to be able to see what you're doing yourself, so you get feedback, but you also want to be able to share it with the clients. That's so critical. Architecture is a 3D medium. Ultimately, it's going to be in 3D. You should be able to evaluate it throughout the process.